Hey guys, welcome to Basil Chic. This is going to be a office clean with me, get your life together kind of video. That is our new mini golden doodle Rosie. She's adorable, but she is crazy. So she's going to be keeping me company today as I clean my office along with you guys. So I'm going to speed this up, and honestly, I'm not crazy about it when people do these videos and they just put music to it. So I'm going to go ahead and talk with you guys and explain to you guys what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So you can see it is filled. It's like a Christmas bomb went off in here. It's where I wrap all the gifts and everything. So I'm going to clean up everything right there. I'm wrapping a gift that was back ordered for my nephew. And we'll say that Rosie's trying to help right there, because that was a challenge, wrapping a gift with a puppy, let me tell you. But anyway, so got that wrapped, got that out of my office, and it doesn't belong here pile. You'll see me go back and forth a lot of times because I have different piles, and one is, a pile that doesn't belong in my office. I'll put my Christmas stuff in a pile. Now right there I'm on my phone, because what happened is I actually acquired a small stack of business cards. So I'm inputting the ones that I want to keep in my phone, their names, their phone numbers, and they are people that I know. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm throwing away the ones that I don't want, and I'm setting aside the ones that I want to file, because I put my home maintenance. Oh, that's my kombucha I'm drinking, by the way. I love kombucha. So yeah, I file away my home maintenance cards of the people that work on our home. Okay, cleaning up all the Christmas stuff, going through the bags, what's in here, finding homes for things that don't have homes, trying to stack those boxes together didn't work. Those are separate. I think actually those went to Goodwill. That's all of my Christmas wrapping. Ended up taking out some tissue paper for my birthday wrapping supplies that doesn't belong in there. So I got all that organized, little bags in there. See, I'm putting all my Christmas stuff in a pile. Now this really took the longest part of the video, and this is you know how paperwork piles up? This is all the paperwork and everything that needs to be filed, and it's like the time that you have at the end of the year, you don't have a lot of time, and then on top of that you get more paperwork, I feel like. So I'm putting everything away. I do use the Freedom Filer paperwork system, filing system. It's incredible. I did a video on it. I'll link it below. So thankful for that system right here. I went ahead and I took the opportunity to switch out the odd year versus the even year for my months. And right there I'm creating a file for Rosie, my pet file. So that's the only file that needed to be created. And I knew where all my labels and everything were, so which made it so helpful. So this in real life took about 30 minutes. Which if you saw the paperwork, that's pretty good. It was nice knowing that all the paperwork I came across had a home and I knew where to put them. So I really appreciated that. I also like the fact that I really gathered a large pile of stuff to throw away from my paperwork. So that felt really good too. So getting all of this stuff filed, put away, created, switched out, ready for the new year. Words can't express the way that felt. It was amazing. And yeah, that's you see that little paperwork pile forming. Yeah, that's all the trash pile. So you'll see what that really looks like later. So filing the rest, the little tidbits and things, those little extra business cards I had, straightening up. Here I'm just putting away my lights. Oh, I did have 102 Dalmatians on for Rosie, but she wasn't that interested, so I just put Garden Answers on for me. She's like my favorite YouTuber. If you guys love gardening, check her out. I'm getting all of my lights set against the wall neatly, all the cords picked up, because honestly, can't see it from this angle, but it really was just thrown in there. That is a little tree that my grandmother gave me. That's her crystal Christmas tree. It's filled with crystal ornaments. It's beautiful. So got that out of there, ready to tuck away for the next season. Oh, that frame right there. My grandmother and my grandfather also gave me that frame. It's beautiful. I haven't found a place for it, so I ended up just putting it against the wall where my lighting is. Getting all this junk out, any Goodwill stuff, the Christmas stuff, the trash. Look at this trash pile. Yes. Wow. I also wrapped all the Christmas gifts in my office too. So that is why it felt good to get all that junk and trash and stuff that doesn't belong there out of my office. Now I'm cleaning everything. The best part, right? I'm using Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. It smells amazing. And I've been using Grove Collaborative to buy all my Miss Meyer's stuff, and honestly, I'm really liking it. I did become an influencer, but I haven't done a video on it yet because I wanted to really use it and know it so that I can I know that I like it before I recommend it to you guys. So I think I will be definitely doing a video in the spring though, because I do really like it so far. And I want to tell you how I use it too. And now the kombucha that I was drinking before is gone, off to just my water. I'm a big water drinker. Okay, so right there I am shutting down my computer because I'm going to go ahead and move my computer over to the corner. So I love it where it's at right now because of the symmetry, but at the same time the sunlight will come on my eyes sometimes, and just too close to home with my neighbors. I could see way too much in their lawn, so not crazy about that. So I'm moving it into the corner. My husband got me a really awesome battery backup, so I'm under there moving the battery backup, getting everything plugged in, all the wires organized, and getting that all done. Now I'm cleaning that keyboard, and I am intense about cleaning that keyboard. I want that sucker clean. Now is the fun part, rearranging the accessories, where I want this. Should I move this over here? Putting my pens there, that sort of thing. Just kind of tweaking it, making sure I like it, stepping back, and it'll probably change again in a few months, but this is how I ended up leaving it for this time. Okay, so once I got that, I moved everything, and I'm vacuuming. I love watching people vacuum. It's just so satisfying seeing the room being vacuumed. Maybe it's because I think vacuuming offers instant gratification. Like, you see a difference really in the floors after you vacuum, and it's also towards the end, and it represents that clean room that you're going for, Notice I'm moving things. When you vacuum, move things and vacuum behind things. Do not just vacuum around items. It really bothers me when people just don't move things and vacuum behind them. It doesn't take any extra time. That's the proper way to vacuum. I'm very funny about that. Okay, now the mop. And I am moving things again, mopping behind the door, mopping on all the hard places right now, and then letting that dry, and then I'm going to move it back just like that. And then I move the chair, mop that part. I'm waiting for it to dry so I can move back my chair without getting any streaks. So that's what I'm doing there. Remember to move your items. And I'm going to say that like 1,000 times. I think I've fluffed that pillow like 1,000 times in here. It's so funny. I love that pillow. I got that from Little Design Co. Okay, so move that back, no streaks. I also did a video on the mop solution that I use and how I mop my floors too, because I do have laminate floors, so I'll link that below. And I'm just about done. This is what it looks like afterwards. So feels really good. I really like my computer there. If you like these get your life together speed cleaning videos, let me know in the comments below and I'll do more. I'm just getting out the extra little things and I'm done, and it's nighttime. There's the before. That's what I was dealing with before. There's the after. I think it looks great. Now it's time for bed. The shades are down. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.